teach me this shit. What the fuck?
How's it going, everybody? My name is Frank. I'm out here with Evan in Westwood performing street magic. So I would like to begin by speaking about my appearance. As with many interactions, first impressions are lasting impressions, and they're very important. So you want to look like someone that people want to speak to. That means you have to take care of your appearance. You want to look presentable, clean, groomed, and you don't necessarily have to dress formal or business formal or whatever. You could be casual, but so long as you're put together. And I feel that's very important. And I've noticed that that's important in my performances when I approach people. If I look a certain way, they'll react a certain way. For instance, you can be looking sharp, they'll more than likely be receptive. And if you're looking a little rough around the edges, they may dismiss you or just be a little hesitant to speak with you. So that's basically, those are basically my thoughts on appearance. Just look good, you know, wear something that makes you feel good, that you're comfortable in, and that makes you feel good. As far as what I prepared to perform with today, I quite honestly didn't prepare anything special. I'm going into this just as I would any other day. So I literally just got a deck of cards with me, and that's about it. So I'm going in this I'm approaching this how I would approach any other day in any other performances. So Jarek and I, we were just talking about how to approach people, how to eliminate that moment of awkwardness. What exactly do you say to a spectator so that you create this comfortable situation where they're able to interact with you and whatnot? One suggestion by Jarek is that you could use the camera as a justification for that, right? We're filming something for whatever. Personally, I've never liked to use the camera or any other factor in this as a justification. I like to just go in by myself. So it depends on your style, and you just gotta like fine tune it, you know, whether you use a camera as some sort of justification or not.
Sweet.
Yeah.
And how about this? Let's do one where the camera's not nearby you. I'll shoot you from a distance.
Okay.
And then maybe I'll slowly make my way over towards you.
Okay, that's a really good one.
But it will be, so we'll still be able to hear you.
Yeah.
But yeah, I've been wanting to make a video like this where the camera's not by your side.
All right, excellent. Hey, what's up, man? How you doing?
What's up?
Hey, my name is Frank.
Eric, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Hey, I'm gonna show you something real cool, all right? I know it sounds weird, but look, check it out. Look, my hands, they're clean and fair, right? But if you focus hard enough, you just gotta focus. Things up here, right?
What the fuck?
Yeah, man. Hey, you ever heard of a game called Two Card Monty?
Two Card Monty?
Yeah.
What is that?
It's like a quick game, man. It's pretty cool. You wanna check it out?
Is it like money involved?
Nah.
Okay,
We're just gonna
alright.
pretend. We're just gonna pretend.
Alright.
Hey, I don't fuck with students, man, because I know y'all go.
Yeah,
I'm fucking broke as fuck too, man.
broke, bro.
Hell yeah. Going to the strip club somewhere, to the bar.
Yeah, man.
It takes all your fucking
take
money.
all
So you know what's up then.
Man.
Alrighty, cool. Look, we're gonna be dealing with three. Well, actually, two cards. Hold on, let me just look for them. Okay. Yeah, we got the diamond here,
Okay.
and where's this shit? I totally didn't set this up. It's just I go on the fly. It's more challenging. Okay, heart. Heart goes on top, right?
Okay.
Cool, man. So this is where you gotta pay attention. You gotta pay attention.
I'm
Yeah.
Got you.
Alrighty. So hold out your hand. Well, yeah. Hold out your hand like this, like you're hanging on to a single card. Perfect, man. Look, I'm gonna hand you that top card, okay?
Okay.
All right, cool. Just keep it there. Look, we're not betting, but we're just gonna pretend. You know, it gives it a little bit more of an edge,
Yeah,
right?
I feel it.
Okay. My question to you is, do you think that's a diamond or the heart? Without looking, because we got rules. You can't look until we fucking say what's up. So is it a heart or the diamond?
I think it's the diamond.
The diamond.
Yeah.
All right. Can I ask you why?
Shit, I don't know. I'm just guessing.
Right, but you said diamond because you're a little skeptical, right?
Yeah.
Something's up. Go ahead, turn your hand over.
Okay.
Okay, I'm not that great, right?
Alright.
I'm not that great. The reason I asked that though is because you're able to like just scope out who's who. Some people are very skeptical, and that's good for them.
Yeah.
That's good for them. You know, some people are very gullible, and that's fucking scary. They'll fucking believe anything. But yeah, and then some people are just very logical. They can't have fun. You're telling them this whole story, and they're just trying to make sense of it, but in an unfun manner, I guess you could say. Here's a diamond. Look, I'm gonna switch it really fast. You wanna stand up real quick?
Okay.
Cool, man. So look, I'm gonna switch it really fast. Keep your hand there. Keep your hand there. That's one. That's two. All right. Look, man, you have the heart. I took the heart, searched with the diamond, right? That was change 1, and then change 2, I searched the back. You now have the heart, I have the diamond. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
But what do you think? Do you think I really changed it?
Nah, I don't think so.
Nah, okay, that's cool, man. Go ahead, turn it over. All right, I like your confidence, dude, because
Yeah.
some people just call me out like straight up. That's bullshit. You didn't change shit.
Yeah,
Thing is, I really did. Yeah, like here's a diamond,
Okay.
and it requires. This technique requires a lot of practice, and it just took me a long ass time. I'll show you, man. I go in like this.
Okay.
Bam, and I fucking take it. Watch, keep your hand there. Keep your hand there. Look, here's the heart. That's a trick. Now, answer me this. Do you think the heart's on top and the diamond's on the bottom? Or you think it's the other way around?
I think the diamond's at the bottom.
Diamond's at the bottom.
Yeah.
All right, man, we're just pretending. But if you had to put money, do you feel that certain? Yeah, it's on the bottom.
Yeah.
Go ahead, turn your hand over.
What the fuck?
That's a good one, right?
That's dope as fuck, bro.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Hey, you gotta teach me this shit.
Yeah, I'll
What?
teach you, man. Actually, me and my buddy, we're filming out here. That's him. That's Jarek120. He has a YouTube channel and he teaches people all kinds of things, man.
Oh,
Yeah,
shit.
yeah.
Hey, that blew my fucking mind, bro. What?
Yeah.
Yo, that came out of nowhere. I didn't expect that.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Good job,
Yeah,
man.
yeah, for
You-
sure.
You impressed me.
Alrighty, man. You gonna still hang out here or what?
Actually, I'm about to go ahead up.
Oh, okay, cool.
Study,
Yeah.
You know, it's finals week. You know
Yeah,
how that
yeah.
go.
No, handle that shit, man.
Could I ask you a quick question?
Yeah, what's going on?
Hey, Evan. Nice to meet you. I teach magic on YouTube.
Okay.
And the hardest thing for an aspiring magician is to actually go up and approach people. It's
Yeah.
very hard
Yeah,
to
yeah.
just talk to anyone, stranger, the fear of speaking.
Mm-hmm.
What was it about Franklin that made you feel comfortable or okay? Like, what did he say? Was it like, you know, you could have just been like, no, man, no thanks. I'm
Yeah.
busy with my shit. Like,
Yeah.
I'm not interested.
Right.
What was there anything about him or the situation that made you say yes?
Well, he dresses decent. Like, I pay attention like aesthetic first. Like, then the way he came off, it was very cool. He was just like, "Hey, man, what's going on? How you doing? Hey, do you got time to speak real fast?" Like, it was very respectful to my space and my time. And so I think that's what. And then also, just me personally, I like to talk to people. So, yeah.
Awesome.
Nice meeting you, dude.
Good job, man.
Yeah, for
Keep
sure.
it up.
Thanks.
Thank you.
right,
Appreciate
thank-
your time.
Yeah, no
Thank
problem.
you very much.
Definitely.
All right. God bless.
God bless.
Take-
Much love.
Take care of the planet. Love everybody. Regardless of race, color, creed, you feel me? We only got one planet. Take care of it. Love the next person that you see, no matter what. And yeah, man.
Take
Peace be
that.
on to you.
Much love.
All right.
Thank you. Catch you. Good job.
Thanks, man.